Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something really important in the world of Terraform State. Whether you are just getting started with Terraform or you are already using it in your projects, understanding how Terraform manages state is crucial for building reliable and scalable infrastructure. When you run Terraform to create, update, or destroy infrastructure, it needs to keep track of the resources it manages. Terraform does this through something called state. In simple terms, Terraform state is a snapshot of your infrastructure at a particular point in time. It helps Terraform to understand what's already been created, what needs to be updated, and what should be destroyed. Terraform keeps this state information in a file called terraform.tfstate. By default, Terraform stores the state file locally in your project directory. But in Teams environment, it is recommended to store it remotely to avoid conflicts. Why does Terraform state matter? Well, without it, Terraform wouldn't know the current state of your infrastructure. It would treat every Terraform apply as if it's starting from scratch, creating resources every time you run it, which would obviously be a problem. Let's have a look on Terraform state with a hands-on demonstration. This is my visual code editor, so I'll I'll add a new file called main.tf. Here I'll define a provider as Google. So project, okay, reason. So I'll take project. I have one Google Cloud account and I have this Google account project and I'll use this project, create a resource, taken this project ID, reason central one. I need to authenticate to Google Cloud. I've already created one Terraform service account here and I have downloaded the key. I'll use this key to authenticate, and here I'll create one storage bucket. So you can see here I have given storage admin permission to the service account. So this is done. I'll just use it. I'll export Google's application credentials. I have to provide the path. Let me just take path of the Terraform service account key. This is the path. To paste it. I think there is some typo in here. I've exported Google service account key. Now I'll create one resource, Google storage bucket. Name should be name of this bucket. I'm giving Google storage bucket name should be unique. So I'm taking this one, calling it as state, and the location US Central 1, force destroy, storage class, taking as standard. Alright, let me just run terraform init command to initialize the Terraform directory first. It just initialized. You can see the state log and Terraform providers is just downloaded. Let me just run terraform plan command. With this plan, we are just creating one storage bucket in US Central 1 region with standard storage class. So let me just apply it, terraform apply, and yes. This bucket is just created and you can see apply complete, one resource added, and here you can take a look of our locally stored Terraform state. The state file is in JSON format and contains crucial information about our storage bucket. You can see in state file it stores all the required crucial information about the storage bucket, and it contains all the required information. This is Terraform GCP bucket resource. Type is Google storage bucket. You can see the provider name, schema version, You can see the name, that is ID, location. Here, this resource information is stored in this Terraform state. And if we want to just destroy storage, hit yes, and you'd see it takes all the information regarding storage bucket from the state file and removed that Google storage. You can see once the bucket is destroyed, the state file is now empty because that particular Terraform resource, which is storage bucket, is deleted now. It's not in your infrastructure, so it is not present in your state file as well. This is how Terraform tracks changes and updates. If you make any changes manually, like adding or removing resources outside Terraform, it will not be reflected in the state file, which can lead to discrepancies. In the next video, we'll talk about how to store Terraform state remotely on Google Cloud storage buckets. Stay tuned.